Shubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kum kajing kemen halor kajing yo ya ka Kyrdan Grade B Nangbah ka National Assessment and Accreditation Council kibor peniat ka Kiang Nangbah Government College jawai kila penlong ya kajing rakhe ka bakerpang menta kesngi hakane kajing rakhe lawan pencengain lang dau menteri ketenat pule putih ka sarkar jela uba ala kemen remboi ha kajing ya don lang u deputy commissioner ka West Gentia Hills uba Garot LSN Dice uba longru u chairman and advisory committee jong ka college Deputy Director Dr. BD Kaji, Bat Deputy Director Iki Maukiu, DHT Dr. SR Lengdam, RUSA Consultant, ka Principal Jongka College ka Dr. EM Bla, kinohikai bat ki semlap pule. La banyak tu hangne baki kenhun joka NAAC ki balawan banjurip ya ka Kiang Nangbah Government College, haka karsan tarik bat kandung tarik une ubenai, bat ki kenhun ka NAAC ki kentup, yau Asutosh Ghosh Chairman, Profesor Muhammad Arif member Coordinator bat Dr. Ajay Bahamare member ka cumulative grade point average jongka Kiang Nangbah Government College ka poi hadu R point sapulai na ka hanyo point bat kane ka Kyrdan B grade kane hadu sansnam nadu ka R tarik benai bakarwe arajar arpuwe.
It is a duty bound on itself to see that is what is needed to do its duty. Different departments have their own duty to fulfill its obligation. Kiang Nangbah College, the name may be one, but we have different departments. We have to treat different departments as different college. Then only we could succeed in the days to come. If we leave all the responsibility to the principal, if we leave all the responsibility to the IQAC coordinator, it will be very, very difficult. Because this is just the beginning. Every year, you have to submit your annual quality assessment extra. You know that on 13 and 14 of this month, if I'm not mistaken, Sora College, the peer team will visit for its Naac accreditation. We don't know what it is the result, but I'm sure that whatever happening in Kiang Nangbah College will inspire Sora College, will inspire Tura Government College, will inspire other common institutions. If you could do it, why not us? Why not me? So that spirit, because sometimes as the government institution, we have so many issues as a common institution. We always, because the government, we always have something to blame. But we never take responsibility.